Are you excited for your procedure?
I'm excited to see how it looks, so
Wow.
I've always had thin hair.
So, let's start the party.
Start.
Hello, Azim.
Hi Khalid, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you. Lovely weather, isn't it?
Yes, it's a very sunny day out
Yeah.
here. We're very pleased to have you with us.
I'm thankful for being here right now.
One of the most important questions I wanted to ask you is, before you came to Istanbul, Turkey, how your process was in finding us?
I actually got recommended by one of my friends, Hussam. He recommended you guys. Obviously, he spoke highly of you guys as well, and he said the team was amazing. He said that obviously the whole process of getting it done was hassle-free for him as well, and obviously appealed to me, so got in touch.
So that's a good connection that we have as well, to have him, treat Estenova as his family at the same time. How was it before coming here? Did you have any concerns or questions in your mind?
Of course, I had concerns, obviously, the after effects, what the side effects could be, but obviously being in contact with yourself, you really broke everything down for me. Obviously, you kept on asking me if I had any concerns as well. So any questions as I had, but as time went by, you answered pretty well. So I was pretty confident when in coming as well. And overall, you made the bookings and everything, and now I'm here.
I was actually wondering about your hair loss journey, when it started, how it makes you feel, how it affects your life in general.
Well, my hair loss, I have very thin hair. I have very thin hair, and in pictures I've started to see like, oh wait, my hairline isn't where it used to be once. So I thought, okay, it might be a one-off, but then I got concerned, and I think it's because I kept thinking about it, it built that insecurity, and that's why I wear hats, beanies quite a lot if I don't have a hair. I mean, in the UK we have enhancements that barbers use, and my barbers use it a lot. I'm like, is there really a point? Let me just get it sorted one time, so I don't have to go outside, worry about the wind blowing my hair, and then have to cover myself. So it's a nice feeling to know afterwards, once it's done, I won't have to do that.
Are you excited for your procedure?
I'm excited to see how it looks, so it's life-changing essentially, isn't it? So hopefully it gets rid of my insecurities. Don't have to wear the hats all the time.
You're right. And I wanted to ask you about, before you came here, like, what were your expectations? Are we fulfilling your expectations? What did you dream about?
I didn't really have many expectations in terms of it being, but you've definitely exceeded them, because the accommodation right next to the central area, it's a minute's walk from everything I need personally. You've taken me out on a touristic day, you've shown me around Turkey, so it feels like a holiday at the same time, not just here for the purpose of getting my treatment done, which why I initially thought it was going to be, it's not a holiday, I'm coming abroad to get my treatment done, but it's felt like I'm actually a tourist, seeing all the amazing views, having coffee, seeing the water, seeing around Turkey. So it feels nice. It doesn't feel like I'm just coming to get my hair done, which is a bit of a scary idea.
And also, if you had to recommend to your friends and followers, what would you want them to know before coming to Estenova, Turkey?
Whatever questions you have, definitely ask them, because if you have any doubt or anything that's going through your head, you can get rid of the doubt. One, have your questions answered and have yourself at peace as well. So you're in the right hands and the right people, essentially.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Hey.
You right?
Welcome.
My name's Azim.
Nice to meet you.
Your name is?
Dr. Mehmet.
Dr. Mehmet.
You are. How are you feeling?
A bit nervous. Yesterday I was acting like a tourist, so the transplant was the last thing on my mind.
So, Mohammed Azim, how old are you?
25.
25. Okay, how can I help?
It's just the main forehead area that I've just lost it, and it's very, very thin as well. And even these parts are thin, but right now it doesn't look thin because it's a bit the way that my barber does it. Big up my barber. But I've been going to, and he knows how to make it look full, but it's not actually full. But if I should show you, you can probably tell.
Check. When did your hair loss start?
I couldn't even put a date on it.
Wow.
I've always had thin hair.
Really?
I like to say I'd had thin hair, but then I don't realize that I was actually losing hair. So I started noticing it more and more as of recent.
Yeah.
I think I became a bit self-conscious.
But it started early, but slowly.
Yeah.
Secret garden over here. So we're gonna plant some flowers over there.
Hopefully, yeah.
So I'm gonna check your dome area first to see your capacity. For a natural hairline, we've got some aesthetical rules. Like face proportions, there's a golden ratio, like 1:3, 1:3, 1:3. That's our middle line. We're gonna figure out your natural hairline. Okay. So, for middle area, 400 grafts we need, and for the crown, 600 will be enough for increasing density, for a good view, and to survive the rest of the hair, I mean, to stop the thinning and to stop your hair loss, we will advise you some medications for aftercare.
Looks good to me. Amazing.
So, let's start the party.
Let's start.
Okay.
Brand new hair. Amazing.
What would you say about your experience overall? What do you think?
Hassle-free. I didn't have to worry about a single thing. I didn't have to stress about a single thing. Everything was explained to me. Any questions I had was answered adequately, and obviously removed any worries I had. And it's a simple process. Everything was made simple for me.
If you and for example, if someone asks like, I want to get a hair transplant here, what would you say, especially for them to like get a heads up?
I'd say everything's explained to you, like bite-sized pieces as well, because I don't understand what a transplant was. Even when I was doing research myself, it's very difficult to understand certain things. But the consultation with the doctor, even when I was in London, getting WhatsApp, obviously messages sent across, it was made like everything was broken down to me. Obviously, seeing everything in person is much better as well. And any questions I had was answered properly, and any bad thoughts I had was taken care of, and obviously replaced with the good ones, because it wasn't like as bad as I thought it was going to be.